If you need to update your phone number on TripAdvisor, follow these simple steps to ensure your account information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the TripAdvisor website or open the app and log in using your account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile or account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top corner of the page. Step 3. Find contact information. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Contact Information or Profile Information. Click on this section to view your current phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Locate the field that displays your phone number. Delete the old number and enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to ensure your changes are saved successfully. Now your phone number is updated on TripAdvisor. Regularly check your account settings to keep your information current.